ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ka jingyatan telai, halor ka kam Presiden jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, kalanang jawat namarba nakaliang jong u Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh, ubalong u Presiden jong ka Seng Congress hagani ka Jala Meghalaya. Ulapan pao baka syong haki nongkit kam ka party, lakidang ibit ni bandang penjalan ya ka jing syakri jong u kumunong yelam barang ba jong ka Seng Congress. Henry unong yelam jong ka Congress Legislature Party, u Dr. Mukul Sangma, haka jing keren bat kilat pathay khubor ulayathu, ba u Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh, ulapan pao ya ka jing sngaw jong u ba u kwa ban pelaj no ya ka ni ka kam, Henry hado menta udang ya ka jing ay jing menjor nagi bor bahalor jong ka All India Congress Committee banshim ya ka rai ka bakhat do.
Our PCC President Dr. Celestine Lyngdoh has expressed his desire to get the approval of the High Command, the Honorable Congress President, to get him relieved. In fact, he has been speaking to us for quite some time. It's not just now, November, December. But anyway, we are all required to shoulder our responsibility as long as possible. So he has been requested. But the fact is that we are looking at how collectively we decide to see if he has to be relieved and how best we can do that. Those are in natural expected line of discussion. I think you can understand that.